I'm in Cincinnati getting to see how all of the nails and staples are made here at SENCO. These spools of wire, this is how it all starts, and they will go through this in roughly 2 weeks' time. That's amazing to me. Let's go inside and see how this gets transformed. So now we're inside the facility and we're gonna get to walk through the process from when the material, the rod, comes in to how it actually gets turned into a nail or staple. You're gonna be showing us that.
Yeah.
What do we start with?
We'll walk through the entire process from the bundle of rod that comes in to the finished wire.
You can't see it, or you can't feel it, but there's a slight texture to it from it going through this machine.
Then there's a die in here. So that die is going to be the first stage of reduction. So again, nail wire. So this is a 6-block machine, so it's got 6 stages of reduction. So down here at the finished block, right, we're at our finished 120 diameter.
It's so visually obvious. That's so amazing. Straight, clean, produced inside. What a process.
There you go. And it goes up the conveyor into this bowl. Same bowl here, right? Goes down, lines them up, down the rail. See the collator lines the nails up. See the copper clad rope wire come in with this welding to the winder. Then take them, put them in oil, deliver them to the operator over there. Back to the box.
Very cool.
So this is going to be our paper tape training.
Okay.
Through the bowl, line up the nails. Down the rail, induction heat. Induction heat to help get the tape to stick. Our finished product.
This is how it gets
strip. Paper tape framing as like you're very familiar.
Yeah, that's crazy to see them actually get made.
And it's 2 different presses open up the G8 nail.
Okay.
Same bowl, same process we looked at before. Line the nails up. Induction heating unit. Using mylar tape.
Yeah.
You see the wire coming in, the wire straightener to make sure the wire is perfectly straight. It goes through a roller, the flat, staples are flat on the top and bottom, right? It goes through a roller, heat unit, linear motion, forming the staples over an anvil. So all the staples up to this point are just loose on that rail.
Okay.
You use the IR heat to heat them up, mylar tape them, coating on them. Jets here are just drying the coating and cooling them back off before they go into the box.
Very cool.
We looked at stems, but we also put finished wire for staples, the bigger wire draw machines, put them on what we call pins or spools, the smaller ones we call spools. And so all we're doing is paying off anywhere from 68 to 83 wires at a time. And we're going to bring them all together down here at the end of the rack.
68 at a time.
68 to 83.
That is a lot to coordinate and keep track of.
Really see the wires coming from the top and bottom, right? They're all coming together. And we're going to put them through what we call a comb, which just brings them all together here at the beginning of the machine.
Oh.
So perfectly round wire, all coming together here in the comb, which kind of gets everything lined up. Just like we saw over there, we got to flatten the top and bottom to make them staple wire, right? So a hydraulic roller here, flattening roller, just flattening the top and bottom.
It's just smushing it.
Yep. As you can see on this side, it's flat top and bottom instead of round. So coming out of the oven, right, so we've cured off the first layer of glue, and we're getting ready to apply the second layer of glue.
And the coating.
And the coating. So we'll have that on, and then we'll go through another gas-fired oven and cure that off. Cured off that top layer, and yeah, you can see we're putting light on it to see that there's no gaps, no imperfections in the band, right? We're checking the top layer, and then like you've noticed the mirror here, so we can check the bottom layer. They'll weigh it with the scale on the crane, how much we produced, and then it'll get staged to go to the presses. Top section is cutting the right length that we need.
Yeah.
The second section is actually forming that strip of our metal bar that's creating the staple. The index here, accumulate there.
Oh, so that it does. Wait. How does it know which direction it is? Oh, from here.
Right here.
how to do that process in-house. I'm sure it gives y'all tons of ability for not only quality control, but then also expanding product lines as customers demand it.
Absolutely. And we're thankful to have great ambassadors like you
Oh,
who help get the word out about our
I
product.
appreciate the tour. I geek out on stuff like this, so I think it's just fascinating. What a very cool job you have.
Well, thank you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having
Hope you
me.
enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed having you.
Yes, I think it's very educational. I hope that you'll learn something too.